second graders. Today is our last day of distance learning in second grade. This morning at 9:30, we will have our goodbye Google's Meets. And then there is a pickup for your school supplies that were in your cubby if you didn't do it yesterday from 8 to 2 o'clock again today, where you will pull up front and grab your bags. It has like your notebooks or anything that was in your cubby, your scissors, your bin. And then at 2:15, you can drive through the Chanhassen Elementary parking lot and have a goodbye wave to most of your teachers and staff at Chanhassen Elementary School. I hope to see you there. All right, have a great day today. Your job only is to log into Google Meets, and if you can, do the drive-by wave goodbye at Chanhassen Elementary at 2:15. Otherwise, get outside, maybe take a bike ride, go for a walk, do some rollerblading. Do something fun for the last day of second grade distance learning.